What's up, RC World? This RC Beyond Performance checking in with you with the new vehicle that's out right now and it's hot. This is the hobao 1/7 scale. This is a customer's car. He dropped it off to me for me to do a little work to it. We not done yet, but I got it at my shop. I just wanted to do like a little tutorial on it, so far he brought me some stuff. Uh, so he brought me the car, and he decided, yeah, he didn't want the factory chassis. He wanted to be extra bossy with it. So he straight out the gate with it. Carbon fiber chassis. So it's carbon fiber chassis. It's I'm gonna say 3 millimeters thick. Uh, when I put this car back together, man, this car is awesome. To me, it's a hands down slapping the Limitless in the head. That's just my opinion, though. I'm not getting any money for this or nothing, but me as a drag racer or whatever you want to say I am, just say I'm as a builder then. I really like this car. Like, the people that designed it, they thought about all the situations that you can do with this car. They thought about large motors. They thought about all types of sails, the design of it, location. It's just a real nice build. But what I really like about it, they gave you more settings. So we was over here last night on New Year's Eve, and the car came through and he dropped it off, and we was talking about it. So we was talking about putting the big motor up front. I am a big fan of leaving the motor in the stock location. As that said, as I was putting this car back together, I noticed that I can slide the center back 2 spots. So they give you the first location is this one, and if you slide it back to that one, you move that motor mount way back. So you can put 1100 kV, you can put a 24 kV motor by Castle. Man, that right there is so awesome. But only thing I do was switch the rear dog bone to the front and the front to the rear. So that's what I did. I think they got some more aftermarket parts, but the center drive shaft that was located in the rear, do you see how beefy that is? That is so beefy. Like, the car is already sitting even. If you look at the way the car sits with the drive shafts going across, they straight across. So the car already sits flat. That is a very good setup for drag racing. It has very little play in it already. So you really don't have to put, like, we use like nitro tubing, O-rings, springs. We even go to put the CVDs in the front. We put them all the way around to give it that no slack. But the way they designed it, you really don't have to do that. It's built almost perfect. And that's just me looking at it for a few hours. Like, if you don't want to use the trays, you can actually just use this straight chassis. They gave you the... So they gave you the trays that you could just go slap it right to it. So you can just bolt it right there. So that is awesome. So even though that's carbon fiber, you can even do it with the factory chassis that it comes with. It has the same 2 slots where you can move it back and forth. If you don't want to use the battery trays, it already comes with the slots in it. I mean, like, man, it's just a real nice car, man. So, I just wanted to do a little shout out to hobao for this right here, and to the customer that let me do a tutorial on his car as I was building it for him. You know, this is my first video for the new year. I hope everybody enjoy they holiday, um, and I hope this year be better racing for all of us. But if anybody know me, I do got a new surprise for y'all. I got something that's gonna bring our racing game to the next level. It's already on order. That said, I'm not gonna say no more until it come in the box. All right, peace. This RC Beyond checking out.